Hello everyone, let's take a look at how to change the gas spring on a car hatch. The first step is to secure your system in the open position. Here we are blocking with a wood handle. Then, using a small flathead screwdriver, we will remove the two gas springs from the trunk in one time. To do this, lift the metal rig of the ball socket and push on the socket to unclip it from the ball. Once the two gas springs have been removed, we will install the new in the same position as the originals, usually with the rod upwards. The new gas springs have a metal cage on one side and a plastic cage on the other. The first operation is to remove the locking needles from the ball socket. Then simply press the plastic socket side onto the ball of the car, clip the roadside metal socket onto the hatch ball in the same way, and lock with the locking pin. Repeat the operation on the other side of the hatch. Don't forget to refit the locking pins on the metal sockets. Now you can enjoy your new BM hatch gas springs to the full.